Hugo, give me our key.
Hey, now, wait a minute. I gave you my town. I want that boy.
Just a little insurance, Mr. Kilpatrick. I'll drop him off for you a little ways out of town. Get.
It's Kevin, you know. Just wait. I'll be right back. I'm just going over to talk to a little boy. Wait now.
Tibi concedo, deende sic afegeix. Per hanc sanctam unctionem, indulgeat tibi, Domini, quicquid deliquisti. Et benedicto te in nomine Patris, et Filii, et Spiritus Sancti. Amen. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in the green pastures. He